in the hole! Alright. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and courtesy of Morphe's, we are out here at the range today with a DShK-38. This is the early version of the Soviet heavy 50 caliber machine gun. Now yesterday I did a video on the history and the disassembly and how this whole mount works, because there's a lot of clever stuff going on with it. Today we're actually going to do some shooting with it. So, you ready? Here we go! Oh, that is really, really cool. It is, it's getting a nice big muzzle flash. It's kind of concussive back here, but not as bad as I was led to expect. This thing's got quite a bark to it. I'm getting brass hitting me in the foot. There's a brass deflector. It comes out right here. We'll pull the foot back. Here we go. That is an extremely impressive firearm. There is no doubt about that whatsoever. And we are down to like 10 rounds. Alright guys, I want to give Morphe's a big thanks for having the opportunity to bring this piece, this tremendously cool gun, out here to the range to actually do some shooting with. The guns are very rare, the ammunition is hard to get and expensive, and they stepped up to make it all happen. So big thanks to them. Now normally at the end of the video here, I would do a whole belt dump or mag dump, but because of the scarcity of this ammo, I've got 10 or 12 rounds, and we'll let those all go down range. So, here we go. Fire in the hole.